Welcome to 5608 Madrigal Way, located in the highly desired Waterset community of Apollo Beach, Florida. This impressive Biscayne Grand floor plan home offers 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms across 3,347 square feet on an oversized, extra deep lot with a peaceful conservation view for added privacy. As you enter, you'll immediately notice the 12-foot ceilings and an open, spacious layout perfect for everyday living and entertaining. The private office, featuring French glass double doors, is ideal for working from home or getting creative. The well-designed gourmet kitchen includes built-in appliances, quartz countertops, 42 cabinets, and stylish lighting, all set to inspire your inner chef. The convenient coffee bar adds an extra touch for those morning starts or afternoon breaks, while the connected dining and family room areas are great for hosting friends and family. The owner's suite on the first floor is a true retreat, with 2 large walk-in closets and an ensuite bathroom featuring double vanities, a garden tub, and a walk-in shower. Step right out onto the covered, screened lanai to enjoy some fresh air or an evening with your favorite drink. Upstairs, a loft area provides extra living space, perfect for a game room, media room, or additional relaxation space. A private guest bedroom with a full bath is also on the second floor, making it great for visitors. The home is designed with practicality in mind, featuring a large laundry room with storage and a built-in sink, plus a 3-car garage and a spacious driveway for all your parking needs. Built in 2022 by Homes by West Bay, this home combines modern design with a welcoming feel. With features like Sonoma stone cabinets, ethereal white quartz countertops, and traveler white wood tile flooring, this home offers a balanced and comfortable style throughout. The Waterset community adds even more value to this home with its resort-style amenities, including 3 community pools, one of which is just a short walk from your front door. Plus, you'll be close to the community's brand new 20-acre outdoor recreation facility, providing plenty of options for active living. Additional amenities include 2 fitness centers, a splash pad, a dog park, and scenic trails for your morning or evening exercise. Waterset is conveniently located near I-75, with easy access to Tampa, St. Pete, Orlando, Sarasota, and MacDill Air Force Base, as well as local beaches, shops, and restaurants. 5608 Madrigal Way offers the perfect mix of location, space, and community amenities. Don't miss your chance to enjoy the best of Florida living in Waterset. Come see it for yourself today.